Have you ever wondered if a simple tablespoon of olive oil could transform your life? What if we told you that this golden elixir isn't just a kitchen staple, it's a fountain of youth hiding in plain sight? From boosting heart health to sharpening your mind, olive oil might just be the secret weapon your body's been craving, especially after 50. Imagine this. Every time you take a sip, you're bathing your cells in antioxidants, revving up your metabolism, and protecting your body from the effects of aging. It's like giving your insides a daily spa treatment. Forget fancy supplements or complicated diets. This one small habit could spark big changes. But here's the kicker, there's more to olive oil than meets the eye. The quality, timing, and even the way you consume it can amplify its benefits. And spoiler alert, not all olive oils are created equal. Stick around to find out why the right olive oil can be your new best friend and how it might help with everything from joint pain to radiant skin. Ready to unlock the potential of this Mediterranean miracle? Stay tuned, because by the end of this video, you'll wonder how you ever lived without it. Whether you're a skeptic or a health enthusiast, trust us, you don't want to miss this. Let's dive into the life-changing magic of olive oil. Number 1. Your heart health will improve. Olive oil works its heart-healing magic mainly via its high concentration of monounsaturated fats and polyphenols. These are a good type of fats that help reduce low-density lipoprotein cholesterol, which is the bad kind of cholesterol that can lead to all kinds of diseases. Not only that, but olive oil is also a double agent. So, as it decreases the bad cholesterol, it also increases the good cholesterol called high-density lipoprotein cholesterol. Consequently, your overall cholesterol profile will improve. But that's not all. Olive oil's antioxidants, like oleuropein and hydroxytyrosol, play an active role in combating oxidative stress and inflammation, both of which are key culprits in heart disease. In fact, a landmark study published in the New England Journal of Medicine in 2013 called the MEED Trial offered eye-opening proof. This was a massive clinical study in Spain where researchers split participants into 3 groups. One group followed a Mediterranean diet with extra virgin olive oil, another with nuts, and the third followed a low-fat diet. After nearly 5 years, the olive oil group experienced a whopping 30% reduction in major cardiovascular events, like heart attacks and strokes, compared to the low-fat group. The researchers concluded that olive oil's protective effect stemmed from its ability to improve the function of the cells lining your arteries and lower blood pressure. Number 2. Your brain function will improve. Olive oil is not just a heart helper, it's a brain food too. Its magic may be traced back through its rich antioxidants, especially one compound called 𝐬𝐮𝐬𝐫𝐷𝐿, which fights against inflammation and clears out harmful plaques in the brain. These plaques, known as beta amyloid proteins, are notorious for contributing to Alzheimer's disease. One interesting study published in Annals of Clinical and Translational Neurology in 2017 by researchers from Temple University put olive oil's brain-boosting powers to the test. Using a mouse model of Alzheimer's, they divided mice into 2 groups, one being fed a diet enriched with extra virgin olive oil and the other on a standard diet. The results? Mind-blowing. In fact, after just 6 months on the olive oil diet, the mice had a 40% reduction in amyloid plaques and very much improved memories and learning capacity compared to the mice on the control diet. The researchers found that olive oil favored the performance of the so-called autophagy, or cleaning system, of the brain, which is responsible for removing toxic waste from the brain, thus maintaining neurons functioning correctly. Think of it as spring cleaning for your brain, thanks to that tablespoon of olive oil. This liquid gold, whether drizzled on salad or sipped straight, does not simply sharpen your thinking, it could just future-proof the mind. Number 3. It will decrease inflammation. The secret weapon for olive oil is 𝐬𝐻ZT&x, nature's anti-inflammatory superhero. This powerful substance works in a fashion like ibuprofen. Its main way of working is by inhibiting the cyclooxygenase enzymes that are responsible for causing inflammation in the body. This incredible process was uncovered by researchers at the Monochemical Senses Center through a 2005 study that was published in Nature. They discovered that 50 milliliters, about 3.5 teaspoons of extra virgin olive oil, taken daily has an anti-inflammatory effect about equal to 10% of the standard adult dosage of ibuprofen. The researchers tested this by analyzing the effect of 𝐬𝐻ZT on prostaglandin production. Prostaglandin is a chemical contributor to the process of inflammation. Their findings showed that 𝐬𝐻ZT reduced the activity of cyclooxygenase-1 and cyclooxygenase-2 enzymes by 41% and 57%, respectively, like how nonsteroidal anti-inflammatory drugs work. This means olive oil doesn't just soothe inflamed joints or calm achy muscles, it actively tackles the root cause. Number 4. Your joint health will improve. Olive oil is a joint's best friend, thanks to its powerful anti-inflammatory and lubricating properties. As we mentioned before, compounds like 𝐬𝐻ZT reduce inflammatory enzymes like cyclooxygenase-1 and cyclooxygenase-2, helping to ease joint pain and stiffness. A 2021 study published in Nutrients explored olive oil's potential to relieve arthritis symptoms. Researchers in Italy recruited 55 adults with osteoarthritis and divided them into two groups. One consumed extra virgin olive oil daily, which is about 3 tablespoons, while the other followed their usual diet. Over 12 weeks, the olive oil group saw a 32% reduction in joint pain and a 45% improvement in mobility scores compared to the other group. What's the science behind this relief? Olive oil's healthy fats, particularly oleic acid, help maintain the structural integrity of cartilage, while its antioxidants combat oxidative stress, a key factor in joint degeneration. It's like giving your joints a smooth oil change to keep them running better for longer. Number 5. Your skin will improve. Loaded with vitamins and antioxidants, olive oil acts like a natural skin serum. Vitamin E, one of the key active ingredients in it, helps neutralize the free radicals, which are compounds that go on to harm and age your skin. Moreover, the healthy fats in this oil keep skin hydrated and elastic. Japanese researchers studied the effects of extra virgin olive oil on skin health in a 2016 study published in PLOS1. They studied 36 participants over 8 weeks, where one group applied olive oil topically and another applied a neutral oil as a control. Compared to the control group, the olive oil group demonstrated an improvement in skin elasticity of 23%, and skin hydration was increased by 32%. That's not all. Olive oil enhances collagen formation thanks to its squalene content, giving your skin that youthful plumpness. Plus, its anti-inflammatory properties help soothe the redness and irritation. Before we continue, if you have been enjoying the video so far, hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you don't miss more videos like this. Number 6. Your digestive health will improve. Olive oil benefits the health of your digestive system by nourishing the microbiota, or the healthy bacteria in your gut. Furthermore, it serves as a natural lubricant for your gut. Its good fats encourage the synthesis of bile, which is necessary for fat digestion and smooth operation. Spanish researchers investigated the gut-friendly properties of olive oil in a 2018 study that was published in the International Journal of Food Sciences and Nutrition. For 4 weeks, they examined 30 people with functional constipation who increased their daily intake of extra virgin olive oil by 25 milliliters, or roughly 2 tablespoons. The outcomes were striking. Stool frequency rose by 47% in comparison to the control group, and 85% of patients reported having better bowel motions. What's more, olive oil contains polyphenols that act as prebiotics, feeding the good bacteria in your gut. This promotes a balanced microbiome, reducing inflammation and enhancing nutrient absorption. So whether you're battling bloating or just want to keep your gut happy, olive oil is the delicious, natural ally you didn't know you needed. Number 7. Your weight will be managed. Olive oil might just be the secret to smarter weight management. It increases your metabolism, decreases fat accumulation, and makes you feel full. The high content of monounsaturated fat is the reason for feeling fuller and less likely to nibble, because it prompts the secretion of satiety hormones such as glucagon and peptide 1. A 2010 study published in Diabetes Care researched the effect of olive oil on weight control by researchers at the University of Vienna. 40 overweight adults took part in the study and were randomly separated into 2 groups. One group followed a low-fat diet, while the other group consumed a diet high in olive oil. Compared to the low-fat group, the olive oil group reported feeling 20% fuller after meals and experienced a 5% greater reduction in body fat after 12 weeks. Additionally, olive oil speeds up the burning of fat. Its oleic acid and polyphenols increase insulin sensitivity, which lowers the buildup of fat in problematic spots like the abdomen. Plus, it's calorie-dense but nutrient-packed, meaning a little goes a long way. So, this is what happens to your body when you take olive oil every day after 50. Now, we want to hear from you. Which of these surprised you the most? Have you tried taking olive oil yet? Share with us your experiences and opinions in the comments below. We love to hear them. Thanks for watching.